Okay guys, welcome back. So meron na naman tayong panibagong lesson. Tutuloy po natin ang ating binary arithmetic, which is all about the binary multiplication. So bago po natin simulan, syempre, ang nakagawian, like and subscribe to my channel para po sa mga upcoming videos po. Now let's get into it. Gawin po natin, magsimula po tayo sa simpleng methods po ng multiplication. Meron kasi tayo na tinatawag na, let's say 1 times 1, syempre 1. Then 1 times 0, 0 will results to 0. So napaka-simple lang, di ba? Whenever na nagmumultiply ka ng 1, lagi mo nakukuha yung same answer doon sa given. Kapag naman 0, palagi ang sagot ay 0. So let's try to have a simple mathematical expression. Let's say 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Multiply natin yan. Napakasimple lang po ng gagawin natin. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. Then, ito naman pong isang 1. 1 times 1 is 1, which is lalagay nyo po siya rin sa susunod na digit. Then, ang susunod po dito is 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. Now, pag pinag-add po natin yan, ang sagot po dyan ay 1, 1, 1, 1 to the base 2. Let's have another example. Let's say I have here 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Again, 1 times 1. Basta minultiply mo ng 1, dito yan, makukuha mo yung same answer. Kaya magiging sagot ay 1, 1, 0, 1. Na dahil may 0 ka, madali lang to. Ganun lang din, katulad ng normal na multiplication na ginagawa natin, lalagay mo dito 0, 0, 0, 0. Kaya naging 0, 0, 0, 0 kasi 0 times 1, 0, 0 times 0, 0, 0 times 1, 0, 0 times 1, 0. Same po nang dito, lalagay mo lang siya dito sa part na ito. Now, let's add. Bring down 1, bring down 0, bring down 1, bring down 1, 0, 0, add 2. Now, let's have a checking. Kung tama nga ba yung sagot po natin. No. Ka lang. Tingnan natin ha. Let's have a checking kung tama po yung ating sagot. So, let's check this part po muna, no? So magiging siyang 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, tsaka 32. No? So ang mangyayari, cancel out mo yung may 0, tsaka yung may 0, mangyayari po dito is 8 plus 4 ay 12, plus 1 is 13. Now, let's check dito naman po. Tama ba? 13 nga ba yung lumabas? Let's check. So, ito ay 1, 2, 4, tsaka 1, 2, 4, tsaka 8. Cancel out this po. Then, 8 plus 4 plus 1 is 13. Then, this one is 1, 1. 13 times 1 will get a result of 13. Next example. Let's have is 1, 1, 0, 1. Then we have here 1, 1, 1. Same procedure will apply. Ang gawin lang natin, i-rewrite lang natin siya 1, 1, 0, 1. Ito din, pero may adjust tayo ng isa sa space, no? Kaya 1, 1, 0, 1. Ganun din tong isa 1, 1, 0, 1. Let's add 1 plus. So, yung magiging down, baba mo lang, ito ibaba mo lang. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0. Carry 1. O, ayan na. Meron na tayong carry. So, 1 plus 1, 0 carry 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 carry 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 carry 1. Bring down 1. The answer is 101, 1011 to the base 2. Let's have a check. Ito po ay 1, 2, 4, at saka 8. Cancel this. 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 1 is 13. Next, we have here 1, 1, 1, which is 1, 2, 4. 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Now, let's use our calculator to check. 13 times 7, the final answer should be 91. Now, let's check kung ito nga bang 1011011 ay 91. Ang gagawin po natin is, ito po yung 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, at saka 64. Tanggalin natin tong mga zeros na to. 64 plus 16, we have 80. Plus 8, we have 88. Plus 2, we have 90. Plus 1, we have 91. Okay, so let's get to my final example. Let's try 1110111, and we have here 1, 1. Same will apply. Ganun lang po siya. 1 plus 1 times 1, 1 times 1, 1 times 1, 1 times 0, so forth and so on. Ang lalabas yan is 1110111. Same with this one po. So ang gagawin mo lang po is 1110111. Ngayon, let's add. Bring down 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. Next, we have here 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. Now, we have here 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. We have 1. So, the answer is 101100101. Now, let's check it. We have here 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and we have here the 64. Cancel this out. Let's check it on our calculator. 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, you will get a result of 119 in this given. While this one, we have here 3. Now, pag ginag-multiply natin itong dalawa, 119 times 3, you will get a result of 357. Is 101100101 357? Let's check and let's find out. Ang gawin lang natin, we have here 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, double may 128, 256. Cancel out all those zeros and let's check. 256 kasi yun yung may 1 plus 64 plus 32, then we have here plus 4 plus 1 kasi ito yung may 1 dito, you will get a result of 357. So I hope may nagets po kayo sa binary multiplication. Kapag nagustuhan yung video nito, put a like and make sure na nakasubscribe ka lang lagi sa channel ko and hit that notification bell para po sa ating mga updates. Thank you very much and see you soon.